Hello, welcome to Madhuri. I am your Satyam Shankar and CEO at EMG at MUB Group of Institution. Today is the 18th of July 2024 and we are here with the excellence extraordinary level of one special class of current affair. You all are most welcome here on this special platform where you can know about the best knowledge, best response for your examination perspective. So let's start. Okay, in number first of the questions of 18th July. So first note down, today is 18th July 2024 and the first question of this day is Ladla Bhai Yojana has been launched. Ladla Bhai okay, so question here side saying Ladla Bhai Yojana. Okay, Ladla Bhai Yojana. Yojana means all one scheme have, yes. Ladla Bhai Yojana scheme here, right? Ladla Bhai Yojana, even on Ladla Bhai scheme. Just second, wait. I got injured by tea. Okay, Ladla Bhai, just second, wait. Okay, Ladla Bhai Yojana, even scheme, has been launched in which state? Has been launched in which state? Clear. Option here, option है मध्य प्रदेश, second Manipur, third New Delhi, and fourth Maharashtra. Question was saying that this understand Ladla Bhai Yojana, that means Ladla Bhai scheme has been launched in which state? Option Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, New Delhi, Maharashtra. Right answer Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, Ladla Bhai, Ladli Behan Yojana, Ladli Behan scheme you have seen launched by this state Maharashtra. Again this launching Ladla Bhai Yojana scheme by which state? So Maharashtra. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 2 what's saying beta, Paul Kagame has became the, yes, Paul Kagame has become the new president of which country? Yes, for the fourth time. He became fourth time he became president. Who? Paul Kagame. Which country? Option here, note down beta. Option Argentina, second option Sri Lanka, option third Pakistan, option fourth is Poland. Okay beta, Poland. Understand, any candidate have any kind of problem then easily can ask. Okay, Poland. Clear hai beta? And the other side in the last section Rwanda one don't have country, so Rwanda also in the this answer one option have country, the other side have. So Paul Kagame has become new president of which country for the fourth time? Option Argentina, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Poland. Right answer will be Poland. Clear hai beta? In the Poland Paul Kagame became the new president for fourth time. Clear hai? Next question number 3 what saying beta? Question number 3 saying India has provided provided how much amount of UNRWA to help Philistine, even Philistine. Okay, yes, right, have Philistine. Okay, Philistine refugees. Clear. India has provided how much amount of UNRWA to help Philistine refugees? Option है बेटा, option have $4 million, second option $5 million, okay, and third is $7 million, and next is $8 million. Question was saying India has provided how much amount of UNRWA to help Philistine refugees? Option $4 million, $5 million, $7 million, $8 million. So right answer $5 million. So India provided $5 million amount of UNRWA to help the Palestinian refugees. Next, fourth number question was saying beta. Number fourth question saying who has been re-elected okay, of the European Parliament, re-elected president of the European Parliament. Clear है? Who has been re-elected president of the European Parliament? Option will be Maya Sandhu, and second option Mette Frederiksen, and third is Natasha Pirag Musher. And Robert Metsola. Clear beta? Question was saying this, understand who has been re-elected president of the European Parliament. Option have Maya Sandhu, Mette Frederiksen, and Natasha Pirag Musher, and Robert Metsola. Right answer Robert Metsola. Robert Metsola became the re-elected the president of the European Parliament. Means he was the president and he re-elected president of the European Parliament. Do the revision of the questions. Ladla Bhai Yojana scheme has been launched in which state? Right answer Maharashtra. Maharashtra government has launched the Ladla Bhai scheme. Paul Kagame has become the new president, okay, and of which country for the fourth time? So Paul Kagame became the new president of Poland for the fourth time. India has provided how much amount of UNRWA to help the Philistine refugees? So $5 million India provided. So next question, who has been re-elected president of the European Parliament? So Robert Metsola became re-elected president of the European Parliament. Understand all one? Okay, so erase this question and note down all fast. Okay, any kind of issues, any doubt, anything, whatever you have, you can easily ask. I'm always ready to tell you all one. Okay, and as per I know, hope not any doubt have. Maybe if have, then you can easily ask. Clear? Fast. Okay, sure. Here's a question number 5th word saying this understand. Everyone note down fast. We are ready. Okay, once again. Fifth, where was the world first? Where was the world's first? Okay, where was the world's first 3D printed electrical Abra tested clear? Question was saying where was the world's first 3D printed electrical Abra tested? Option what have UAE. Second option what have Kuwait. Third option France. Fourth option what have Spain. Clear have? Question was saying where was the world first 3D printed electrical Abra tested? Option have UAE, Kuwait, France, Spain. Right answer UAE. In where have beta? Dubai. Okay, in Dubai. Clear have? Dubai. Where was the first 3D printed electrical Abra tested? So UAE, Dubai. Clear? Next question number 6. UAE has announced to delay. Yes, deeply have. UAE has announced to deeply have. Yes, deeply. Clear? Long range missiles have beta. Missiles in which country from the year 2026. UAE has announced to deploy long-range missiles in which country from the year 2026? Option what have? Sweden. Second option what have? Germany. Third option what have? Finland. And the fourth option what have? Ukraine. Clear? So question have UAE has announced to deploy long range missiles in which country from 2026? Right answer will be Germany. In the Germany, UAE has announced clear to deploy long range missiles from 2026. Clear? 7th number question what's saying beta, where was the world first vaccine? Where was the world first vaccine? Just second, wait everyone, note down fast. And we have a lot of sessions except current affairs. In this time we are unable to offer you. Actually issues have something, so but I'm sorry for this. I will offer you all. Okay, where was the world first vaccine for help? Okay, virus administered to an ocean elephant, to an ocean elephant. Where was the world's first vaccine for help virus administered to an ocean elephant? Okay, option number first what have beta? Option number first what have India. Second option UAE. Third option Indonesia, and fourth option is Japan. Where was the world's first vaccine for help virus administered to an ocean elephant? Where have beta? Where this? So right answer UAE. In UAE, world first vaccine to help the virus administered to an ocean elephant. Clear? Right answer UAE. Next question number 8. What's saying this? Understand. Question number 8 asking what is NASA? What is NASA? CHAPEA. NASA CHAPEA project. NASA CHAPEA project. Okay, related to that was in discussion. Option have Mars planet. Second option have Venus planet, and third option is Mercury planet. We have B2. Mercury planet, and fourth is Moon planet. Clear है beta? Understand? What is NASA CHAPEA project related to that was in discussion? Option have Mars planet, Venus planet, Mercury planet or Moon planet. Clear है? NASA CHAPEA project have yes related to which है beta? So right answer will be beta here Mars planet. Now in your mind one question coming out, what is the full form of CHAPEA? Yes, so full form of CHPEA, CHAPEA full form what have this? Understand? Crew health and performance exploration analog. Now clear have question here side have what is NASA CHAPEA project? CHAPEA full form here crew health and performance exploration analog. Clear have? Now do the revision. Where was the world first 3D printed electrical Abra tested? Right answer UAE, Dubai. UAE has announced 2 deeply long range missiles in which country from the year 2026? Right answer Germany. Where was the world first vaccine for help virus administered to an ocean elephant? Right answer UAE. Where was NASA CHAPEA project related to that was in discussion? So right answer Moon's planet. And what is the full form of CHAPEA? Right, crew health and performance exploration award. Oh sorry, analog. Clear have? Understand? Now move on for next question. And everyone please, I'm requesting you, please practice continuously, okay, because practice makes your marks best. Clear have? Okay, another question number 7th sorry 8th and 9th number have Question number 9 was saying, where was the Harela festival celebrated? Where was the Harela festival where was the Harela festival celebrated? Option have Chhattisgarh, Mizoram. Second option Mizoram. Third option Arunachal Pradesh. And next option is Madhya Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Okay, question what saying beta this understand. Where was the Harela festival celebrated? Harela festival where celebrated? Option Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Right answer will be Uttarakhand. In the Uttarakhand Harela festival celebrated. Clear hai? Next question, who won the first title? In this writing this 10th number hai. Who won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024. Clear hai? Who won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024? Options what have on your screen? Option have India, Australia. Second option France, and third have this beta. I'm sorry, I have sneezing, cough, cold, all three. Pakistan. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Who won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024? Option India, Australia, France, Pakistan. Right answer will come out is India. India won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024. Clear hai? Any candidate, any issue have, those easily asked. Where was the Harela festival celebrated? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, who won the title of World Championship of Legend 2024? Answer is India. India won the title for World Championship of Legend 2024. Clear hai? Hope you understand. Any candidate have any kind of doubt, anything have, whatever have, easily can ask. So thank you so much. Best of luck for this first session. And Jai Mata Di. Be happy. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.